Does England have a July 4th?
Nah.
Why the fuck would Russia have a 4th of July?
Can we get a message to your ex?
Flex on him.
Are you guys glizzy goblins?
That's kind of sus.
Are you a glizzy gladiator?
Yeah.
We're here with
Anju.
Dre?
Philip.
Will.
What does CEO stand for?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Take a guess.
Something with community. I don't know.
Community. Central. Get the E.
You had the first one right.
Cap.
Company, entrepreneur, owner.
Are you dumb?
Company?
Company, entrepreneur, owner. The fuck, I don't know. What you think?
Oh, really? All right. Central. Economy. Think of like business shit.
Central
Oh.
economy.
Office.
What the hell, bro? How do you got
Yo.
it right?
Wait, I guessed it.
Yeah, you got it right.
Son is
No, he's not.
Company executive owner.
You got it right. Yeah. Does England have a July 4th?
Does England have a 4th of July?
No.
Why not?
No.
July
They
4th
lost,
is
right?
US.
They lost the war.
War.
The Civil War.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Don't think so. Probably not.
So they just skipped over the 4th of July.
Yeah.
Fucking stupid. You fucking dummy.
The only country that has 4th of July.
America. Yeah, America.
Russia doesn't have a 4th of July?
Why the fuck would Russia have a 4th of July?
If y'all say so.
You're retarded. You're not saying they celebrated. Like you just have
What's in a guy's pants that's not in a girl's dress? What's in a man's pants that you won't find in a girl's dress?
pockets.
Pockets? Final answer? Pockets?
Yeah, man.
What about you?
Pocket, yeah.
What?
What's in a man's pants that you won't find in a girl's dress?
Fucking dick, nigga.
I don't know.
Take a guess.
It's like a
Balls.
Balls?
Yeah.
What type
you
of
mean
balls?
Like, you mean like
Oh, my genitals.
damn.
A zipper. He said it was not a...
Here with.
Gerard?
If you had the whole day, who would you spend it with? Trump or 6ix9ine?
That's a hard one. Both aren't my favorite people.
Trump or 6ix9ine?
6ix9ine, look, that's the album right there. Oh no, but I swear to you, a plane flew by with an advertisement for 6ix9ine.
Maybe Trump?
From 2020?
Nah, I'd rather not.
Because 6ix9ine to go, right?
I wouldn't say so. I listen to real rap.
Like who?
I've been listening since Big L, but you know,
Oh, I don't know who that is.
he's also dead.
Oh, he's dead?
6ix9ine? Into his new album?
Nah.
Come real sticky, finna dick me, booty hole 50 cars.
You hang out with 6ix9ine and you do a little like sneaky stuff, gonna snitch on you, you know what I'm saying?
Exactly, that's the issue where it's
But
like...
then Trump is gonna do some things with you that's not right, you know what I'm saying? So
Yeah.
Grab him by the pussy.
you know Trump's a weirdo.
Yeah, I know. Like, you can always pull something, you gotta be ready for it.
Can we get a message to your ex?
Oh, I just got married this last weekend.
Congrats, man.
Congratulations.
Can we get a message to your ex?
I'd rather not talk to her. I'd rather just never see her again. I guess she can, like, go live in a forest forever. I don't want to.
You gonna have a baby soon?
We had one before, I knocked her up. That's why we got married.
Oh,
Yo, just better make the fucking cut off of Tinder.
for Tinder.
What would you rate your fit today?
7.
So tomorrow, do better.
Tomorrow I will.
Oh, you gotta be a 10.
Oh, I will.
So you could flex on your ex and on Trump.
Flex on him.
Yeah, tell him to subscribe.
Yo, subscribe.
Subscribe. Subscribe.
Oh, one more question. Can we get one more question? can I get a water?
I swear. Oh, actually, they're coming up in 2 minutes. And yeah.
Let's go.
We're getting water. Yo, is he dead?
Is that is he dead, bro?
I think he just died. Wait, where'd he go? Yeah.
Hey. You like our dance moves? Good dance moves?
Trump, Kanye or Trump? Kanye or Trump for 2020? President.
Either one.
Neither?
one?
Bill Clinton? No, wait, not Bill Clinton. Who's that other lady? Sunset Rosa Parks.
Let's go, bud. What's up, guys? Trump or Kanye?
Neither.
Why not?
Not in.
0 for 50. Excuse me, girls. Can we get a message to your ex?
See you later.
See you later. What about you? Wow, you guys are animals. He said he will see you later. Those guys. You still love him? God damn, they're thick.
Are you?
Go.
I like Corona, nigga.
I was just kidding. Come on. You guys know I was just kidding, right?
You had the whole day to chill. Who would you chill with, Trump or 6ix9ine?
Trump or 6ix9ine?
What is it?
Trump or 6ix9ine?
Oh, that's a hard one. I don't want to be around Trump. I guess I'd be with 6ix9ine.
Definitely 6ix9ine.
Give me money.
You know what 6ix9ine could give you? 6ix9ine could give you life in jail, though.
Trump or what?
6ix9ine.
I don't even know what you're talking about.
You don't know who 6ix9ine is? The biggest rat in the world? Blicky got the stiffy.
Never heard of him.
You know
Trump. He's the president.
Are you illegal?
I'm not illegal.
I'm illegal.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got him.
But I guess he could with you.
Fuck you, Trump.
At this point, I don't care.
Do you like Trump?
I'll take the rap off.
Fuck Trump? Fuck Trump?
Yeah, I think so.
Alright, can we get a message to your ex?
I don't have an ex.
You don't have an ex?
Dude, shut the fuck up.
No, there's no bad blood.
To my ex, quit dancing because you're trash.
Stop dancing. I got better dance moves than you. Look. Check this out. Hey. Hey. Everyone's. You like our dance moves? Look at my moonwalk.
He needs some milk.
What the fuck is that?
Michael Jackson could never. Hey.
Stop it. Get some help.
You like our dance moves? Hey. Let me see your moonwalk. Your whip. Let me see your whip.
A whip?
Hey! Tell them to subscribe.
Subscribe.
Let them know. Subscribe. Say it loud.
Who?
To the viewers.
Nah, I don't want to get involved. I don't even know who the viewers are. They don't know me. I don't know them. But I'll take the rapper. Can't get any worse than what it is.
Yo. Are you guys glizzy goblins?
No,
Why not?
because that's kind of sus.
Excuse me, kid. Are you a glizzy goblin?
Doing TikTok.
No, we're not doing TikTok. Are you a glizzy gladiator?
No idea what that is.
Big sus, right?
Yeah, it's kind of big sus.
Can we get the best yurt?
Yeah. Yeah.
So, just say yes.
No.
He said no. Can I ask you a question? Are you a glizzy gladiator?
Yeah.
Hey, yo! This man come to Glizzy! You come to Glizzy! You Glizzy gobbler!
Don't be like him. Be like me. Whoa. Trump or 6ix9ine? Trump or 6ix9ine?
Nobody.
Nobody?
You.
Me?
She want me! She want me! She want me!
I should run for president?
Yeah, you should.
They say I'm retarded. Are you a glizzy gladiator?
I don't know who that is.
It's a superpower.
If she's cool, powerful, and authentic, I'm Glizzy Gladiator.
Wait a minute! Wait a minute!
What a retard.
That's what I'm here with.
Nina.
Julie.
I'm Barbara. Raquel.
First question. What would you rate me 1 to 10?
Stand. You have to stand up. Give it 7.5.
7? Alright. 7? Alright.
You're like a 7, like an 8.
I'll take it.
Yeah, like I would say like a 7, 8.
Alright. Yeah, I'm 20. That's they don't.
Do I look better than your ex?
No.
That's tough. Yeah? I like you.
Okay. If I shoot my shot, would I miss?
With me or with her? Maybe.
Cups of the rose.
That's tough.
Both have boyfriends. Maybe. Yeah, maybe.
How long have you guys had that problem?
A boyfriend? Like a year?
Can I make my shot now?
I don't know. My boyfriend's gonna watch this. He might come and get 5 years. You know?
Would you guys rate yourself?
I don't know.
10 out of 10. What does that mean?
Well, we gotta be realistic here.
Maybe 7.
What about a 3?
I'll take it.
You'll take it? What the fuck?
Listen, everyone, beauty's in the eye of the beholder.
What about you? I think you're a 10.
Damn, a 10?
Yeah, I'll take you home tonight.
Oh, okay. So,
Kidding! Come on! Come on! You guys know I was just kidding, right?
On like a good day, I feel like I could pull like an 8. On like a bad day, I'm like a solid 6. Yeah, like on a good day, you know, I'll make it like an 8, 9. Yeah. Really good day, right?
Yeah.
On a bad
9?
day. Hell yeah.
9? You sure? I think like a 6.
Nah. That's really foul of you to say that.
Trump or Kanye? Trump or Kanye? Trump or Kanye? Nice. Yeah, Trump or Kanye? What is it? Kanye, yeah!
Fuck Donald Trump. Yeah, fuck Donald Trump. Yeah, fuck Donald Trump. Yeah, fuck Donald Trump. Yeah, nigga, fuck Donald Trump.
I don't get involved with the money. Why they gotta talk